Like on 23rd, I made my first sale, right? $192 and then $146 and then 97. Hey, it's Abhi here. So I have been following this training and I implemented it as I didn't have to learn new things or learn technical things with this, right? I just needed to learn how to run search ads and create a very simple landing page. No email list, no spending hours of time and nothing, no content creation, nothing required with this. Okay. So I went ahead and purchased this program called Super Affiliate Sniper. And these are the product creators, that is Mark Whiteley and Anthony Ruzek. So I went ahead and watched all the training here and took action. Okay, so let me show you my results, right? So I have been using this tracking software called Weekend Track, and in here I will show you my results. So now let me quickly select November, that is the last month, right? Today is 1st of December. So let me select last month. So this is where I've been tracking my Clickbank sales. And you will see that I have about 5 conversions. That is actually 4 conversions actually, plus one upsell, right? I have made about $435 in Clickbank commissions. Actually, let me just open my Clickbank real quick to show you guys. Okay, so Clickbank, login, and login again. Here I'm on my dashboard and I will select this November to December. All right. I just started using this method, like I started using this method, implementing this method actually from 21st, and on day 2, like on 23rd, I made my first sale, right? $192 and then $146 and then $97. And there is like this is the current, I guess, and these are the 3 days that I haven't made any sales, but I have made sales on other networks. But let me just talk about Clickbank right now. Okay, so I have made about $435 and actually got it paid too, right? If I click on this, you will say I got paid. This is the transfer fee, I think, and this is amount paid, and this is allowance. That means if any refunds or if something happens in the future, this will cover that up. Okay, and that is why there is allowance shows in there. So let me open my ads dashboard real quick and calculate what did it cost to make this $435.98. So now let's calculate what exactly the cost, the ad spend of this is, right? Let me open up my calculator here and you can see how many impressions, clicks I'm getting, and this is the conversion, the 4 sales that I made. All right. So 461.14 plus 1813.21 plus 2821.29 INR plus 1050.97. All right, so that is my, so let me open up my notepad and type the amount up. Let me just copy that and paste. So that is in INR. So if I go ahead and paste that INR in dollars, I will get the dollar amount, which is about $75.74, right? $75.74, and I made, right? And I made how much? Where did this go? So about 435.98, right? $435 and 98 cents. So if I minus that up, right? 435.98 minus 75.74, that is the profit, right? The profit, wow, I can type, the profit of $360.24. That is some insane ROI if you ask me. Let me show you some of my other results, right? So this is a new account that I made of Digistore and I made $30. So if you go down, you can see I have made this yesterday, $30. And the ad spend of this campaign is very, very low. So I cannot track that. I didn't set the tracking this one with Digistore, but I will do it later. Okay. So this one is that campaign and I just spent 322 rupees, right? So if I just go ahead and paste that, $3.97, right? $3.97 and I made $30. That is insane, like 10x of ROI right there, almost 10x. And then this is another network, another product that I tried, and not all of them I have made. I have made about $58, $55, something like that with this particular strategy, right? That is teaching inside the Super Affiliate Sniper course. So pretty good. Now I'm doing Microsoft ads, okay, and now there are a lot of campaigns I'm running, right? Some of them that are related to this training and some of them are not, right? I am also running like 4 other campaigns that have not made any sale yet, but the ad spend is really minimal, okay? And even if I add those all up, I am still profitable. I'm still profitable like 3x or 4x profitable with my ad spend, and that is insane. Okay, and this course actually teaches you Google Ads as its main traffic source. Now, I'm just using MS Ads. Why I'm not using Google Ads? If I'm to use Google Ads, I can easily 5x my results. But why am I not using Google Ads? The honest answer is that I have been suspended multiple times by Google Ads because of my previous history with them, right? I violated some policies which I wasn't aware of really, and I created new account with Google on the same device and same internet connection, and it gets suspended all the time. Okay, I'm still figuring out a way to get back on Google Ads and replicate my winning campaigns from my Microsoft Ads, from Bing Ads to Google Ads. And I'm pretty sure I can easily 5x of my revenue with Google Ads because there's a lot of traffic in there. So if you're interested in this, if you want to take a look at what exactly I'm doing, right? I have actually created a doc, a Google Doc. Let me open that up. And here, right? This is the Google Doc that I created to actually, track what I'm doing. So you can see all the details about it. You can see the updates that I'm doing with it, right? So all the updates with this, and there's another update. I have made another sale, right? Yeah, I forgot to actually show you that. So this is there. This is a program. It's a software program that I promoted with this strategy, and you can see I have tracked it with Bing, and I have made 2 front-end sales, which is $97, right? There is a sale that was, because of the rebuild. This is a recurring sale, right? And the profits inside as well. And I haven't spent much for this campaign. Let me check. I have spent about, yes, 2,955. If I go to Google and to USD, I will see I have spent about $36.42 for this campaign, and I made about $97.60. And this is recurring, right? And this will keep bringing me same commissions next month and the next month, as long as that person is subscribed to the software. Pretty awesome. So yeah, this strategy, this training actually got me results, right? Without any funnel building shenanigans, right? I don't have to build an email list. I don't have to send emails. I don't have to create an opt-in page, a bridge page, a video, and all that. I just set up a simple landing page, right? I send traffic directly to it from my search ads, that is Microsoft Ads in this case. You will do the same in Google Ads and Microsoft Ads, and you will just see commissions coming in, right? I think you'll be able to finally make some money with this. No personal guarantees, of course, but yeah, there is a 30-day money back guarantee as well. So you can go ahead and watch the free training about this training in my description, and also you will see the Google Doc as well to see my updated results. So before deciding anything, just click the link in the description, go and watch the free training about this. And if you decide this is something for you, then get in, and just send me a message, right? On Facebook, on Skype, on email, wherever, right? We can have a talk. I can help you. I will support you personally as well. And apart from Mark and Anthony. And of course, I can even give you some bonuses, like if you don't have a funnel builder or landing page builder, for example, I can help you with that, right? But it's very limited. I can only do that for a couple of people. So if you want to take advantage of that, I use Thrive Suite, right? It costs about $200, more than $200 per year for the full suite, and I am giving you license to that, right? For first 2 people, right? To be clear. Okay, so if you want that, you can go ahead and take action, and let me know. Send me an email at abhi@profitnotes.com, or just add me on Facebook, add me on Skype, and yeah, that's that. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time.